Welcome guys, Luke Fine here, another weekly stream for off the charts, and I'll do a top-down analysis. I'll try to keep it short. We all know so let's start just by looking at the basic things, divergences, and get some hopium up. So we have the stochastic here, which is making a higher low on the weekly, and the price is it's not a low to have a divergence, but we see we had the RSI weekly higher lows consistency, but these EMAs and this resistance, as long as it's under 50, we're in bearish territory. So bear zone, possible pivots, yes, but fundamentals and the whole macro situation is what drives the markets more at the moment. So we don't have really big influx of new money. We only have reflushing of current values, and yeah, so we can stick to TA, but we need to know that the macro situation is more bearish and the trend is bearish here, so on the weekly. So just looking from this aspect of the bear bull trend, to switch the trend to bullish in any type on the weekly, in my view, we need to flip 24K. Okay, this zone would be a 1-2. So according to any type of Elliott wave theory, we need to make a 1-2 and break the local high, retested, so something like this, hold as support, and then come to 37K, like 32, 37, possibly 35. So that's for any type of reversal. 24K needs to flip. Okay, good start will be 22K, this zone. So we can just take it like this. Okay, and we can mark it as weekly, but that's about it. So we're gonna take the famous fibs from the last 5 waves up, from the low to high, and we will see that we have fib support, which we tapped kinda twice. Okay, so these are our higher time frame fibs, and we will just check our EMAs, and we will see that at 24K we have the 200 weekly EMAs. So this is a confirmation of a major resistance point now that we mark from the market structure. Okay, so knowing that on the weekly, let's just push this a bit here and go down to the daily. And on the daily, guys, the situation, we had some good entry of volume. Okay, here you see these 2 days, and then this was like a chop, went down, held, went up, rejected, and now we still need to kinda flip this high, 20.3. but honestly, in my opinion, this zone, let's see how this wave played out. Okay, so let's just go back to the past and let's see this last wave down, went to here, and you see how it hit the 618 exactly, and then massive rejection with this resistance, higher time frame fib. So this gave a rejection. So let's now see this last move down from the high to the low, and we have another, you see, with this weekly resistance that was marked out, another area which would be this one. You see this, and it marks right with this zone. But honestly, guys, this high is the first trouble area, in my opinion, that needs really needs to get flipped. And I think that on the 4-hour, let's just check the EMAs and the VPR. You see, we have the 55 EMA rejected once, coming here, and on the 4-hour, the 200 will be in the zone. So even a scalp short area from 20K to 20.5 is a decent shot with low risk to even go down again, you know. So any move up to here is a decent shot. So let's check our indicators. Yeah, they're not, you see we're kind of pushing, but it really needs to take these highs out for me to even start looking at it in a technical bullish way. So at the moment I'm bearish, and I would look to, you know, even scalp short up to 20k 0.5ish, maybe 0.7, and close above it, and then see if we get a rejection from this zone again to go down, because in this way I'm just looking at trend continuation, lower highs. Okay, so until we get above this zone, as we stated, and even above the 200s on the daily, we're still in like bear trend. Yeah, it's just what it is. Now on the 4 hour, we see we're already at the 200s. We had this point of control support with 236 fib, but if we reject here, like you see up to 20k even, this first high, if we start rejecting here and start losing 19.2, we will go down faster, and our targets were again 18k, 16 and lower. So any type of bearish news coming out will just drive the price. So yeah, bulls need to flip local highs to start getting any confidence, and bears just are waiting to short. And we're gonna check the dollar index, and we're gonna go on the weekly with it, and the dollar is pumping. Okay, so it's really pumping. It's pumping on the weekly for a while now. Okay, and yeah, since December, but it's coming into this resistance area. So we will just check these levels and how it's reacting, and I would say like this on the weekly. If the dollar can go over 115 and hold, it will go higher. Okay, but then on any pullback, now we're talking the weekly, it can hold 106 as support, and we can just look at it like this, something. I would even dare to go like this. Okay.
1 mile right on East Caswell Street.
I would dare to go like this. So it's a parabolic curve. So 106 is the key support for the dollar, and if it starts losing it, let's go on to the daily. Yeah, so if it starts losing this area here, like that, then it could turn bearish. Okay, if it bounces, starts bouncing again and flips 115, it will go higher. So it's all a risky situation to be pushing for longs now. Following the trend is better, or even if you're sitting in stable coins and the price dumps, you're still making a 1x short. So don't overexpose to longs. Keep your head like straight, and just, you know, follow it. At one point we are making money on shorts here and there, more of scalps, and yeah, we just need to see how it plays out. So I tried to keep it short. Thanks for watching, guys. Give us a like and a thumbs up, and let's continue in Discord. Bye for now.